authorities still have no explanation for why these giant cats fell from the sky yesterday, or why they've chosen this neighborhood to nap in. What you see behind me is one of 4 of the creatures, each about 2 meters across, resting among the remains of these homes.
Unit 2, containment breach!
The cat's rolling. Watch the power line.
All units, hold traffic! Hold traffic!
It's headed for the overpass.
Copy, we have visuals. Cat's in the basin, unharmed.
Neural stimulation sequence initiated.
It just twitched.
Calm. Readings are stable.
It's moving. Shut it down!
Multiplying.